meant the meeting was about to begin.
Oh, well, no pepperoni.
First up, we need to talk about...
Snorky, are you all right?
He has the hiccups.
Hold your breath, Snork.
That never works. You have to hold your breath and hop on one leg.
Who told you that's the cure? Snork, you need to... Move!
Try standing on your head.
Oh, take some water. How you feeling, Snork? Cured.
This show is getting weirder now. Hey guys, it's Dipper1982 here, and thank you so much for watching this video. And as all you know, a lot of YouTubers are on TikTok, so I made an account. Dipper1982, my username on TikTok, so if you want to follow me, go right ahead. Now, I'm going to say a special thanks to a fellow YouTuber of mine that gave me so much hope for this YouTube stuff lately. And that is Inky Sands. Thank you, Inky Sands. You are the best. Thank you guys so much for watching. Press that like button. Click on the subscribe button. Click the bell icon to know if any videos of mine are coming out. And as always, see ya later!